Hey internet. So I did some cleaning. Not a whole lot, but I still got some of the rats' nests out. Got this all cleaned up. I found some more nesting back there that now I have to clean that out. I know there's nesting back there. I got all of this to clean out still, but the major accomplishment today is also the ceiling. I got most of it cut out. I think I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna cut all the way back to a line here and do maybe like a molding or false ceiling or something to line up with it, but I'm not gonna cut that out because it's above those walls and I don't need to go up there any to do it. I mean, why? So, yeah, still making progress, getting the parts ordered, going back to regular points distributor on the motor because there's some scary stuff going on. We need an ignition coil and the electronic control module melted. So we're just gonna go back to basics and start there. So that's the update this week. See you later. Oh, we found some yummies. Skulls and teeth. That's fun. Alright, bye.